What's up, my people? Back on site. Beautiful morning. Got this sidewalk out. We're gonna put a slope in it so the water gets out of here. Everything's ready for blacktop. All my concrete is complete. For all the newcomers on my channel, I'm Mike, owner operator of Tri-County Masonry and Excavating, also known as Dirt Boss. So we got blacktop hopefully coming today. Everything in blue will be blacktop sidewalks, 6-inch step-ups on the pads. We poured 3 pads there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Put a set of stairs in. But today what we're doing is we're gonna knock this down. Gonna blow out some blocks here, maybe put a 4-inch riser. So we'll take 8 inches of block out, put a 4-inch riser on here, and put this ring back on. If this ring is out to here, we might be able to get it down. Not sure, but we got to get this to our topsoil grade, which will be about here. So it's got to come down 8 inches, 8 or 10 inches. Be sure to check out the videos of the demo of this project. I showed it before, what it looks like, so you'll be able to see what it looked like before this. Then I videoed all the demo and everything, so be sure to check that out. I'll put a link in the description. So this is the last storm sewer, and it's full of water and it's not discharging, so we're going to put a new pipe in here. That's why everything is located here, but we are tracing the pipe now, and I found it over here, and hopefully we could expose the end of it and not have to punch a new pipe in there. So I got Colin, who's been with me a couple weeks now, digging down in here, and you can see this washout here. Look how big this washout is. But we found the end of the pipe, and it's trickling here.
Keeps getting more swirls and more spots.
Oh good, so we're opening it up. We're getting it. So here we got murky water, and you can see it starting to percolate, and it's going clear water, so we're getting close of exposing that pipe. It's definitely somewhere in this area. That conduit right there is telecommunications, which is Verizon telephone. We just had that located. All good on that end. Say what up, Colin. That's Colin, the new guy. He's doing well. He's been here a couple weeks. So we're gonna keep exploring. We're exploring. I keep hitting something hard. I didn't know what it was. I pull up and it's a dang turtle. Look at the size of this snapper.
Holy shit.
Scared the hell out of me. He come up, almost got me. Pull him up, we'll throw him on the bank. Unbelievable. Look at that snappy. He's like, yo, bro.
Put him right up here?
Yeah, let him go into another home. He's like, dang, you guys. Oh, he's going in his new home. Later, brother. Out of all the things, I was not expecting a turtle. I was about to reach my hand in there and to feel if I could feel that pipe down in there. Boy, that would have been a hell of a surprise. I'm just gonna break this ring around, just work right around it. Break it loose. These rings are only held in by this cement here. She should come right loose. Keep working your way around. There she is right there. Hit right here, right there on that. All right, hit my bar, hit my end of my, well, there we go. Just tap it in a little bit, just a bit. All right, go, keep going. Keep going. Now lift it up. There you go. There you go. Go right again, hit it right through. Keep it, drive her home. Go ahead. Hang on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Nice. Now we'll be able to slide this ring right on the bar. Slide her right out. Watch your fingers. You get it, yourself? All right. We're gonna reuse this ring. We gotta drop this. Looks like they made this manhole just out of block. 8-inch block, it looks like. I don't know what they are. I'm just gonna knock a course off. Hopefully the block. We'll see. That's the level we're working. That's the level we're looking for. It's they're poured block. You know what I mean? They're block with poured cores in them. Pretty strong. Couldn't do it with the sledgehammer, so had to bring in the heavy artillery. Good thing we have it on site. Just work my way around this thing. Nice, nice and nice. Stuff up with a sledge. Give it a good hit. There you go. Break another joint there. There you go. All right, that's our height. Perfect. Got to get this grade ring on there. That would be awesome if that will still fit on there. Gonna take a measurement now. If not, we'll just go get a 2-inch riser, 4-inch riser, make it work. Starting to get separation. It never hangs on that tight. Usually just comes right off, like so. I got her cleaned up. Wet down that existing basin so we get a good bond. This doesn't call for the tar. You could put the tar around there to strip, but that's only if I had a 4-inch riser. Then I'd put that, then the cement. You always cement those down in. All right, Colin's got it all mixed up, just going around the perimeter with some mortar. And we'll set that ring. Give it enough so it smushes out. She's a set. We'll work the cement around it. All right, we're going to take the excess cement, go right around that ring, connect the 2 cements like so, just like they originally had, and that will seal it up and hold it. Oh, they got a piece on there. There we go. Doesn't have to be fancy, not no garage floor finish. We're just troweling it in, letting her dry. Yep. All right, got everything slicked off for the most part. Probably hit it one more time. It really don't make, like I said, but whatever. Looking good. Tuck the hole inside too with your fingers or slicker. Make sure there's no holes. All right, just grab some water and a brush Give it an old broom finish. Call it done. Got the lid back on. Looking good. All right, guys, short and sweet video on a lowering a manhole. She's all done, dried up, covered up, looking good. Still waiting on blacktop. Hopefully this comes today. Again, if you missed this project in the beginning, I didn't film much of it, but I filmed all the demo. You want to go back and take a look at that, I'll leave a link in the description, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys. Thumbs up, share, subscribe.